What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Onyxcoin or XCN, which is down 2.9% at 2.2 cents, $727 million market cap, 32 million coins in circulation out of 48 million. We're on the brink of a possible breakout. I've said that over and over and over again. The technicals don't lie. We're at the peak of that pennant that we've talked about every single day, and that's what we're to go over today, where we're at in that pennant and how much longer do we have of just this chop sideways off support and resistance areas. Now, the all-time high is 18 cents. I've said it several times. I'm going to say it again. I think we can easily overtake that this bull run. All-time low was a year ago at quadruple 07. Now, currently available on a ton of markets, guys. We've gone over that so many times, 4 different pages of exchanges. So if you want XCN, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, guys, as you can see, we are launching Fred soon. We did launch our NFTs today. You can find the link to that in the description below. We're giving away 50% of the total supply of Fred to NFT holders. So if you want it at the ground floor, now's the time to pick up some NFTs. So let's get into the charts here. You can see this is the peak of the pennant. We're converging on this right here. It actually goes until the 17th, which is tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be our storyteller. Tomorrow is going to be make or break moment for Onyxcoin, in my personal opinion. Normally, when you're in a pennant like this, you don't continue sideways through it. When you reach the pivotal moment of the downtrend, uptrend convergence area, it's either one way or the next. So tomorrow could be the big test, guys, finally for XCN, and the indicators are still looking solid. We're still gaining bullish momentum here on the day chart on the MACD. You can see we have a less bearish candle, which means more bullish than bearish comparative to yesterday. Each one of these dates has been getting less and less bearish and more bullish, which is awesome. We have the RSI, which did put in a higher low here and is starting to see its reversal back to the upside. We have the WTX, which reset at 0. Now, like we mentioned earlier in the WTX, we want to keep this uptrend support area going for us, guys, and that's where we're currently at. Now, if you go off of this right here, we did break this uptrend, which is kind of concerning, but as long as we don't break below 19, I'm really not too concerned about that whatsoever. So hopefully we start seeing a reversal there on the WTX. And the big one is the stock RSI. Stock RSI is kind of converging towards each other right here. I want the blue to stay over the orange here. This might be a little bit of a fake out happening before the blue starts rallying back to the upside. So right now, that's currently what we'll be looking for. Here's the convergence area. Tomorrow should be a good day for XCN. Good or bad day. Tomorrow's going to be pretty much the indicative storyteller of which way this coin's going to be going. So I'd be keeping a close eye on 2.5 cents, not 25 cents, 2.5 cents. And that's your storyteller right there. If you see XCN over 2.5 cents, then we're pretty much guaranteed to run up to 10. So that's what I'm keeping a close eye on here. Gamble at your own risk. I am going to pick some of this up right here. The indicators are just looking too good to pass up for me. It does look like we're going to be seeing that push to the upside. Similar situation, the 4 hours kind of confirming that to me. You can see how we've been holding this uptrend support pretty dang well right here. Convergence areas on the 17th, which is tomorrow. Indicators are looking solid on the short term. And then the 3-day. The 3-day, yes, indicators are kind of flipping bearish, but the biggest indicator of them all is the stock RSI is reset. Oh shoot, what happened to that? The stock RSI is reset. We're all the way down here. I've seen people mention like, hey, the MACD is about ready to flip bearish. We're overbought here on the stock RSI and everything like that. But realistically, we can't go that much lower. So this is indicative of a possible breakout to me. I know these indicators are top, but the stock RSI can't go any lower. Like it really can't go much lower than where it's at right now. So I'd be excited to see what's going to happen here. You can see we currently have a reverse hammer candle forming on the 3-day chart. That's what this is right here. It looks like a hammer. You can see it's more at the bottom, which is indicative of a reversal. So we're bullish, then we're bearish, but we have a reverse candle, which is indicative of a movement to the upside. You can see when the hammer candle is like this, when it's like that, that is indicative of that retracement. Now we have a reversal hammer candle, which is kind of telling us that we're going to be moving up here pretty soon. So XCN, I think we're sitting good. Tomorrow or the day after should be the real storyteller here. So hopefully we finally get some movement for XCN. So with that, guys, I know this is financial advice, and if you'd like to support our coin that's launching, make sure you check out those NFTs. You can find the description below. You can find the link in the description below. As always, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can send me a super chat in the comments comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.